Uplyft Capital Review. Uplyft Capital is a financial service provider specializing in offering funding solutions to small businesses. The company positions itself as a fast and reliable alternative for traditional bank loans, targeting businesses that could need quick access to working capital to grow or maintain operations. Uplyft Capital offers quick funding decisions, often within the same day, and minimal documentation compared to traditional bank loans. Focuses on merchant cash advance, MCA, and short-term business loans. Loans amounts range from $5,000 to $500,000. Repayment terms are customized based on the business's cash flow. Target small to mid-sized businesses that may vary to difficulty securing traditional loans, and industries like retail, constructions, healthcare, and hospitality. Loans are unsecured, meaning businesses do not need to pledge assets, and personalized guidance through the application funding process. The support is available via phone, email, and live chat. But interest rates and fees can be significantly higher than traditional loans. Repayment terms are generally short, which might not suit businesses needing long-term financing, and merchant cash advances often require frequent repayments, which could strain cash flow and some businesses. To be eligible, you gotta have a $10,000 in monthly revenue to qualify. You can be a business and operational for at least 3 months, and applicants must have an active business checking account for transactions. So, choose it if you are a small business or a business looking for a loan, because Uplyft Capital is an excellent option for businesses looking for fast, hassle-free funding, especially those that may not qualify for traditional loans. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.